Hello everyone, we are VJS Saw Industry Technology Jiangsu Co. Limited. Today we are showing you an aluminum saw blade that has just come out of the coating furnace. As you can see, its teeth are sharp. The performance of the saw blade is also enhanced after coating, making it faster when cutting metal pipes and less prone to tooth breakage. Making it faster when cutting metal pipes and less prone to tooth breakage. She is testing the sharpness of the grinding within the 5-axis fully automatic gear grinding machine so that the teeth produced can be sharp and precise. High-quality coated saw blades, sharp, durable, and resistant to chipping, offering excellent dog cutting efficiency. Interested parties and buyers are welcome to contact us privately.